MOUNTUP, a pioneering force in mounting industry with 18 years of expertise. At MOUNTUP, we thrive on continuous exploration and creation. At MOUNTUP, we prioritize lean and efficient manufacturing processes. Why? Because we believe in minimizing our environmental impact while maximizing the quality of our products. So when you choose MOUNTUP, you're not just choosing a product, you're choosing the result of precision, efficiency, and a commitment to a sustainable future. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, MOUNTUP's manufacturing process is a dance of technology and craftsmanship. Every product that leaves our assembly lines is a testament to the meticulous attention we put into each detail. At MOUNTUP, every product undergoes a meticulous process of testing and scrutiny. Our expansive product range and sterling reputation are living proof of our unwavering commitment to research, development, and above all, customer satisfaction. Join us on this journey of relentless innovation. All products meet rigorous international standards and certifications. No matter the time zone, MOUNTUP is here for you. Innovation knows no boundaries. Our staff are from diverse backgrounds. MOUNTUP excels in OEM, ODM, and offers premier visual design services for a hassle-free, successful collaboration. Redefine space. Transform vision.